Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Mondeo. In this video I'll show you all comfort features in this car. Let's start with the car's boot. As you can see, it's very spacious with plenty of store space. Also here under the boot you can find spare tire. This car has partly electrical seat, navigation and Bluetooth audio. Take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Here we can find automatic lights and electric windows and side mirrors adjustment. The car is equipped with cruise control, speed limiter and also voice assistant. You can quickly answer and end calls by pressing these buttons. Car is also equipped with power outlet, front windshield defroster, AC, parking assistant and start-stop system. Driver has access to armrest with additional drawer. Inside the glove box you can find aux jack, and on the roof of the car we can find sunglasses compartment. Car is also equipped with parking sensors, dual zone climate control and many more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.